Occupants of green buildings are typically exposed to far lower levels of indoor pollutants and have significantly greater satisfaction with air quality and lighting than occupants of conventional buildings. There's no denying that green buildings lead to significant improvements in overall indoor environmental quality. That includes factors like lighting, temperature, and levels of pollutants. It has been found to have an overall impact on the health and comfort of the building occupants. Popular certification ratings such as LEED ratings offer credits for measures promoting indoor air quality in terms of ventilation and exposure to harmful pollutants. With recent studies pointing towards people spending most of their time indoors, it seems practical as well as prudent to make investments in overall green building programs for a healthy indoor air quality. Overall conclusions can be drawn that green buildings promote better indoor air quality as compared to conventional buildings. To learn more about sustainability, green development, and opportunity zones, visit www.buildgreenlife.com.